What up? It's Tuesday. Don't have any work. Got off of class pretty early. Fernando's coming over. We're gonna talk about hoodies, try and get those figured out, figure out which designs we're doing and things like that. I rearranged my room. The couch with the projector is gonna go right there. And then I got my computer in the background. We're exporting a video right now. We're gonna go outside and try and clean up the oil situation in the Civic and see if I can replace the gasket. I got the gasket right here as well. A valve cover gasket. I don't think it says on here, but I was like looking at the... Anyways, it's just the gasket, like the valve cover gasket. It's not the spark plug O-rings either, because I figured I didn't really need those. If I do, then I'll just go back there and buy it. It was like $40 for all of it, and then $10 for just the gasket. So, we're gonna work on the Civic. Alright. So here's the engine bay. Bunch of crusted oil right there. Yeah, you can see that. Bunch of... So, I'm gonna clean it up a bunch. Here's the interior as well. Pretty nice interior. Roll up windows, no sunroof, very basic everything. But I mean, the back seats look nice. Cup holders are good. Everything works, I guess. There's a crack in the windshield. So those are the major points. However, I think we can get it running. Alright, got the valve cover off. Gasket's looking alright all around. It doesn't look like it's maybe right here. That's it. The inside looks pretty good. And the oil leak was coming from right about there, so that is not really near where I thought the leak was coming from. So I don't think it's going to fix the leak. Just finished putting everything back together. Looks like it's all there. I think I'm gonna have to get some more transmission fluid, possibly some more oil. I just checked it whenever I took it out, and now it looks full. So I don't know. The oil looked so clear that I couldn't really see it, I guess. Whatever. Those used to be black. We'll keep an eye on right here and over here because it was really bad right there. And then also, I think maybe somewhere along the transmission it's leaking as well. It's Wednesday, my dudes. We're about to head to class, and oh yeah, so yesterday I tried to get some footage, but it was pretty dark. I managed to get the valve cover gasket replaced and cleaned up the speedo sensor and think of more Rollingfours shirt designs. Talked to Fernando, and we decided that we're gonna do shirts for the first batch because it's too early to do hoodies, and we would be waiting a while for hoodies as well. Try and sell those out quickly before we get a batch of hoodies in. But if we don't sell the shirts, then we know that like the shirts are a lower risk as well because it's a lower amount of money up front. I also cut my finger yesterday while I was trying to take the valve cover off, so it was pretty early on in the project, and I was like, God, I'm bleeding. Why am I bleeding? And it's a pretty deep cut. Well, it's not that bad. Whatever. It'll heal. It's fine. But either way, we're doing shirts first, and we're deciding on a design right now. We thought of a couple new ones, but I'm also going to try and think of some more tonight. We just got from class, and haven't driven the Civic, but I'm going to go drive that in a little bit, hopefully. And then, I also looked at my own car for oil leaks, and I think it's leaking out of the distributor cap. Because because the gasket there always melts. I don't know if it's a fault with that specifically, or if it, like, with 94 Accords distributors in general, or if it's a fault with distributor cap, like specifically for mine. So it's only whenever it's running that it's leaking oil. It's not constantly that it's leaking oil either. So I'm gonna try and patch that up with some gasket maker. Alright, it's Thursday, and we about to head out to class. Today is Pirate Day at work, so I work at a seafood place and they have Pirate Day. We have a bunch of games and all of the servers dress up as pirates. So hopefully I'll show you guys what I look like before I get there. What up? I got back from class. I went to Walmart first, got some dog food for my boy. Got a soft boy sweater. This one isn't really Walmart brand, it's Wrangler, so it was a little bit more expensive. But like, I don't know, this long sleeve blank t-shirt was $5. Just a bunch of cheap stuff. It's Pirate Day. It's Pirate Day. It's Friday. It's a pretty rainy day outside. We're still working on hoodie designs and things like that. Shirt designs, hoodie designs, and we gotta order those, and then maybe some more stickers. I haven't even sold any of the ones that I have now, so I need to work on selling those. Maybe even before I order shirts, so I know that I can sell stuff in the first place, because I haven't. I mean, the stickers are a different story because it's like, I don't know how much to sell them for. I was thinking like $5 a piece, but $5 for a sticker that's like this big is like, it's kind of a lot. So maybe I'll do like $3 or something, I don't know. But either way, I've been trying to sell them at like Static Saturdays or something like that, but I mean, well, the last one we didn't have anyone, so I couldn't really sell it to anyone. But giving them out as promotional kind of things to try and spread the brand a little bit, and that's really what I should be doing. I'm thinking that I should sell at least a couple just to make sure that I can get people to buy something. There's so much dog hair. There's so much dog hair everywhere. This is Mike Tyson signing off. Alright, today is Saturday, and it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and finally dealt with the dogs having fleas, and fleas being in the backyard. I'm leaking oil. Found where the leak is. It is underneath my distributor. It's right there. And then as far as this car goes, we got the gasket on. I literally haven't even started it since. Tomorrow, TSP, Texas Show Promoters, has a meet that they're collecting a bunch of stuff for Houston, because Houston's having another flood situation. Same thing as, I don't remember if it was last year or not, but they're having another flood situation, so TSP is collecting a bunch of stuff, canned goods, bunch of food, bunch of emergency supplies, stuff like that. Try and give back to Houston and help them out a little bit, because this is insane that they're having to deal with this. Like, if the same kind of thing happened to me in my house, like right now, if it just floods, I don't even know what I would do. I mean, it's just ridiculous that these kinds of things even happen in the first place. It's just the right thing to do. And that dog will not shut up. Always barking. Well, that's it. That's the update for Saturday. That was about all I had to do for today. We might be hanging out with the boys very late at night, but I doubt it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, still Saturday. Just got out of the shower, and we put that gasket maker on the distributor cap. Hopefully that fixes our problem. We drove the Civic. I drove it around a little bit. For some reason the speedometer is working now. Hopefully it stays working for inspection. That's all I need. Hoping for that. So yeah, it drives really nice, has AC, speedometer works, and the only other thing was that there's a crack in the windshield, but I don't really plan on fixing that because it's going to be like $500 to replace, or 300, something like that, to replace the windshield. It's hot in here. I gotta turn on the AC. No, I'm not going to do that because it's super loud, and I keep forgetting that it's super loud. Every time I talk in vlogs, it's overpowering. Still working on designs for Rollingfours shirts. I know I've been saying that for like 3 weeks straight now, but we're getting close, okay? We're like this close. It needs to be something that is versatile, something that many people are gonna wear, not just our own crew, because if it's just us that want to wear it, then no one's gonna buy it, we're not gonna sell it, and then we're not gonna have motivation to buy more shirts, more hoodies, and start this business for real. And I want to start this business for real. Alright, that's the update for Saturday. Before I go on a whole tangent about motivation and getting stuff done, I'm gonna switch on over to Sunday. Hey, what's up? My name's Robert and welcome to my cooking show. So the first thing to making tacos is you want to get some raw meat and put it in a pan, and before you put it in the pan you want to slap it a little bit, and then you want to go like this and to squish it, and get some taco seasoning hot, great value classic olive oil, and slap it on in there, and then turn your heat to medium, and that's how you make tacos. And just like that, you've made tacos, easy peasy, and you've made some money. What up? It's Sunday. Just got up and they're taking off rotors from Josh's car or someone else's car. So here's the rotor. The bottom part won't come off. I have some exciting news as well. Sophie said yes. We're dating now, officially. We got it off. It was stuck to the, oh, it just focused on your arm hair. It was stuck to the hub.
Shut up! Don't judge me.
I'm not judging.
Stop!
I'm just making sure you're doing it right. As a certified technician.
He's a certified looper.
We got Wendy's. Sponsor me, Wendy's. Today, TSP, Texas Show Promoters, is doing a thing where they're gonna help out the people in Houston. I talked about it earlier in the vlog, but basically they're doing a canned food drive, and they're waiting at a Walmart from 3 to 5. It's 5 o'clock now. I texted him. He said he could wait another 30 minutes. And I was like, thank you so much, because I just got off of work because it was super slow. So he was like, don't even come in. It doesn't really matter. It's fine. People need to feel more obligated to do more often to help out people in need, especially in a emergency scenario like this. And so that's why I'm trying really hard, because I didn't get a chance to help out before. Now I have a chance to be able to help, so I'm going to help. Okay, we just made it back home. Subscribe for weekly updates on Rollingfours and Static Saturdays. Another Static Saturday is coming up this weekend, so this Saturday from the day that this is posted. Make sure you come out. It's gonna be a fun meet. It's very chill, like I said earlier in other videos. It's very chill meet, and I don't know. Just come out and support, guys. If you come out, you'll probably get a free sticker. And you know, who doesn't like free stickers? They look pretty. Wait. The stickers look pretty badass. All right. Don't even at me about that. Like, come on. Look at this. How would someone not like that? Come on. Alright. See you guys in the next one.